Hi guys! Have you ever seen an unhealthy looking plant? We shall be discussing diseases of crop plants. But what are crop plants? Crop plants or crops are those plants we grow for food, money, and other economic benefits. Some examples of crop plants include rice, cassava, tomatoes, potatoes, etc. These crops can be affected by diseases, and the study of plant diseases is called pathology. Now, when a plant looks abnormal or deviates from its healthy state, then it is said to have been affected by a disease. Plant diseases damage the leaves, stems, roots, and fruits of the crop or plant, reducing their economic value. Plant diseases can manifest in the form of symptoms. Symptoms are visible indications of disease on a crop. Some symptoms include changes in the appearance of the leaves, a change in the shape, and the general function of the crop. Now, you may ask what causes diseases in crops. Diseases in crops can be caused by living components of the ecosystem or biotic factors. Living organisms like bacteria, fungi, viruses, and nematodes cause diseases in crops or plants. Diseases in crops are also caused by the non-living components of our ecosystem or abiotic factors. Examples of these abiotic factors include wind, water, soil, and rain, amongst others. Excess rain, wind, water, and other abiotic factors may cause diseases in crops. Sometimes, nutrient deficiencies may also have great effects on the crops and make them susceptible to diseases. Now, let's learn about some of these crop diseases. Maize moth is also called boil spot. It is an airborne disease caused by the fungus Ostilegomaides. This fungus deposits its spores on the fruit of the maize plant. It causes the growth of galls on the leaves, stalk, and tassels, hence reducing its overall yield. Potato blight is also known as late blight. It is an airborne disease caused by a fungus called Phytophthora infestans, which also affects tomatoes and peppers. It is easily spread in warm and humid weather conditions. This disease affects the leaves and tubers of the plant. It causes brown patches on the leaves and makes the potato tubers rot rapidly. Groundnut rosette disease is a viral disease that is spread via the piercing and sucking activities of the aphid, Apis crachivora. The leaves of the plant change from green to yellow. The plant becomes stunted, which means that the plant is unable to attain its normal height. Wilting and eventual death of the crop may also occur. Cassava mosaic is also a viral disease that spreads as a result of the sucking and piercing activities of an insect called the whitefly. It causes the plant to shed its leaves, and the stem of the plant is also distorted. This leads to an overall poor yield. Root knot disease of tomato and okra varieties is caused by nematodes, and they transmit the disease in soil. Their activities within soil affect the plant, resulting in retarded growth, early death of the plant, and a reduction of its overall yield. In summary, we have looked at crop plant diseases and the symptoms and causative agents of some crop diseases. Don't forget that crop diseases can also be caused by abiotic factors in our environment. I believe you can now tell when a plant is diseased by carefully observing that plant. I'll see you soon.